They're planning on starting with, I think, 100 mammoths and putting them in this park in Siberia that they've been doing this experiment on as to what happens when you add megafauna back into the Arctic tundra.
They're using what DNA? They're using elephant DNA and mixing it with something else?
So they're taking Indian elephants, they're using existing mammoth DNA, and they're making an embryo, and then they're implanting it into the Indian elephant, and 22 months later, she will give birth to a mammoth.
A real mammoth?
A real mammoth.